Hey, if you're looking for a home that has long range views of Smith Lake, I got one for you here, right here today, right here on the Smith Lake home tour, right here on Rock Creek on Smith Lake. And check out the views behind me. This is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, brand new construction home. You gotta see this. Hey, I'm Jacob Sanders, your local Smith Lake realtor. And look, if you've thought about buying or selling here on the lake, don't do anything without calling me first. I want to be your go-to for all things Smith Lake real estate and your complete 100% resource for Smith Lake. Hey, Jacob Sanders here with eXp Realty right here on Smith Lake, and today we're going to be touring a brand new construction home in the newly developed Flat Rock Cove neighborhood right here on Smith Lake. Now this is located in Rock Creek. We're going to be right around the corner from Silver Rock Cove and really adjacent to Point William here on Rock Creek. So we're going to be, again, this is a brand new developed neighborhood. And this is obviously a brand new construction home that we're going to be touring today. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, currently listed at $1,599,000, and absolutely beautiful with amazing views. And I can't wait to show it to you. Hey, but before we get started, if you don't mind, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. We're going to keep bringing you Smith Lake home tours every single week, as we always do. And we want to be your go-to resource for everything Smith Lake. Just to turn this camera around right here. So this home actually sits down. This is a circular driveway that goes around. So we've got one end coming in right here. There's obviously a parking pad. I do have my truck right there. And then on this side right here, coming all the way down, you would come down right here and pull down this hill. And again, it does a circular, goes back up that way, but it also has a place to park, as well as a place to park right there. So if you have groceries or somebody that's, it's probably, if you're staying here for most of the time, that's probably where you'll park. That way you have easy access to your car and you walk down the steps right there to get to the home. But also we do have the turnaround right there. So you got plenty of parking space. Some of it may be on the hill, some of it may be here on the turnaround, whatnot. But this is, anyway, absolutely beautiful, beautiful landscaping coming all the way down here. Again, this neighborhood is located on Rock Creek, and we're just right around the corner from Silver Rock Cove. We're adjacent to Point Williams, which is going to be that to the left, and I'll show you guys that here in just a bit. But just check out the look at this home. It's absolutely beautiful right here on the outside, and it's just as beautiful on the inside as it is the outside. So looking forward to showing you this right here. So we're going to take a walk, and we're going to go ahead and go on down. This I think I mentioned just a minute ago, absolutely beautiful landscaping. They've got I love these rocks that they brought in here, these boulders right here, and also that rock wall going down here, but these boulders for steps. And they've got this flagstone patio that's right here on the roadside coming down. So this is really, really pretty. I love how they accented these walls, these outside walls with a stone going all the way around. So very unique, very nice, just absolutely gorgeous for sure. So let's keep going right here, and we're going to take a tour of the home. So obviously when you walk in, the first thing you notice is not the floor, but the lake, because you got windows galore going all the way across right here, tons of natural light, and this lake view that is absolutely stunning and amazing, all from your living room right here. So you can sit up here and look at this. Now we're talking about we're here right when you walk in the big great room. When you walk in, we do have huge vaulted ceilings going all the way up. Really, really pretty. Got a super nice fireplace coming down. These are hardwood floors, so you can feel good in knowing that, especially in this price range. It's nice to have real hardwood floors, but this is open to a kitchen, absolutely beautiful kitchen. It's got a nice big island right there, and just super, super nice setup that we got here. So you got your sink and your dishwasher, a nice big island right there. We've got 10-foot ceilings right here in this area, so very tall ceilings gives it that big open feel. And we do have quartz for the countertops, for the new countertops as well. And to our right there is going to be your cooktop. Very nice cooktop. It's a Bosch. All the appliances are Bosch, so good quality there. And then to our right here will be the spot. Now there's a fridge that will have to go right here. And then we've got a little butler's pantry right here in the closet, plus a lake favorite. We do have an ice maker. So, and your little place for drinks to go right there, or your wine or whatnot. And of course, a window with a view, because that's what you have here on the lake. And we've got a little pantry right here behind us right there. So let's go back out right here. Now to our right, coming off this, there's gonna be your microwave right there. It's gonna be built into your cabinets. And just looking out that way, again, it's open to the living area, great open floor plan. And I'm gonna take you out on these porches in just a second. But to our right here, we've got a nice large dining area right there. So this is a big room, big area right here to put you a huge table and have all the big family meals or games or whatever you wanna do right there. And before I go any farther this way, I do wanna take us out and just give you the porches, because it's got some great views from porches right here. Super nice porches that are covered. And take a look at this wood ceiling going up with your fan. Just absolutely beautiful out here. So you talk about a place that you want to come here and have your morning coffee or any kind of grilling or whatever you want to do, or just sit out here and enjoy the views of the lake. And this lake views are absolutely incredible, going all the way across. All right, and this is located on Rock Creek as well. And there's the back side of the fireplace. And they do already have plugs put in right here. So if you're gonna be mounting a TV, you've already got a spot for it, which is super nice. All right, let's go back through, and I'm gonna take you to the other porch that's located right off the kitchen as well. Again, I love the natural light that you get in these homes. And the big tall windows for sure. So we've got us another porch right here. Again, another wood ceiling. Just gives it that extra accent, extra, as we say. You know. But anyway, great views. Looking long range views of Rock Creek that way. Just to give you an idea, there's Point William right there. So this is actually adjacent to Point William, the neighborhood Point William. And to our right here, is going to be about, we're a quarter of a mile to Silver Rock Cove. So try to give you some sort of reference to where we are. If you were to go straight that way, about 3 miles, maybe not even 3 miles, there's going to be Bailey's Bridge right there, right up there and around the corner. Again, that'll be where that is located. So just to give you a reference as far as where we are on the water. So there we are. Let's go take a look, and let's just keep going. Beautiful home for sure. So we're going to come through, and we've got 1 bedroom and 1.5 bath on this main level. And I'm going to show you, we're about to show you this now. So this goes upstairs. We'll go up there in just a moment. To our right here will be a half bath. So gonna look at that, and then to go right past it, it'll be the primary suite for the main level. And this is a large bedroom as well. You've got some great lake views here. And we're getting hardwood floors throughout, and so except on the basement, and I'll show you what's in the basement. So it's a nice surprise in the basement as well. And we go to the primary bathroom, and we've got a very nice double sink vanity. It's a quartz top with a beautiful tiled shower right there. Super, super nice. We got a tile floor, and straight ahead, we do have the toilet room, and behind, to our left right here, will be the closet for this bedroom. Okay, so we're coming from the upstairs, and we're gonna go down to the basement. Now, some of the lights down here are currently not on. I guess I don't know if it's something switched or whatever, but I'm sure a breaker may be off or whatever. But anyway, just letting you know. So, but we come down here, and the basement has a beautiful stained concrete floor. So really, really gorgeous. Of course, we got our nice little patio door going out to the covered patio, and we'll go out there in just a moment. But nice living area, family room downstairs here, and to our right it sort of just wraps around. We've got a nice little wet bar, a second ice machine down here, so all you ice lovers, you're gonna love this one right here for sure. Just a place here to put tables or whatever you want to do, play your cards, be near the drinks, whatever it is you want to do for sure. So super nice basement right here. Good living area. Again, views of Smith Lake right there. So let's go to our left. To our left right here is going to be a couple things. We've got storage under the stairs right there. It's a nice little storage area. And then going straight ahead is going to be a laundry room. So our laundry room is in the home is set up to be downstairs. So just keep that in mind. And this kind of just goes around. We've got a tankless water heater as well. Just an extra little storage closet right here. Coming across, and I'll go out there in just a moment because I'll show you what that is. Coming across over here will actually be the downstairs bathroom. So we've got a full bath right here. So let's take a look at that. This is actually a double sink vanity, which is nice for the basement. And we've also got the tile shower. And this one has, the light is not currently on in here, not working in here. So we do have a nice tiled shower, ceiling to floor shower there. And to our right, going out right here, will be the downstairs bedroom. So this will be the fourth bedroom that we'll see down here. And this is a large bedroom. This is a pretty good size as well. So this down here is a 9-foot ceiling that's in here. So still a good size ceiling that is going to be tall for basements anyway. So there's a view back of the basement room, and of course the bathroom to our left. Now as you see the patio right here, I'm going to take you this other door that we not go in through. So this is a basement garage, and they've got a golf cart in here to keep it charged. This is a small garage, so you'd put your golf cart. You could get a jet ski if you want to do here, but I'll show you the lot. So this is a steep lot going down, so the golf cart would certainly come in handy for you as well. So let's go outside here, and I'm going to show you the patio and how we get to the water. Okay, so we're going to go out right here. Again, another covered patio right here. Now this is covered because the upstairs is covered as well. So another just a area to put furniture, hang out. See right here, and overlook the beautiful Smith Lake and Rock Creek area of Smith Lake. So this is on a concrete pad. Now I just want to show you kind of how this is geared out. So this does not currently have a boat dock. There is going to be a boat dock here. So the boat dock has just been being built and is going to be going right down here. But this is a steep driveway going down. So that's where your golf cart comes into play. So we've got a nice landing spot right there. There's not an awful lot of steps. There's probably about 30 or 40 steps to the water from when we get to our landing. So just so you know, then you'll have your ramp for your dock going out that way. So just to kind of give you an idea. And so we're going to walk right through here. We've got some nice little rock that gets us over here to the garage area. And this is where the golf cart was. So again, this would be a great spot to have a golf cart and be able to drive it down right here. I love the boulders. Look at the boulders, what they did for landscaping, just absolutely gorgeous. So nice. There's a side of your home, so as you can see that. And here is the drive going down to the water. So again, this golf cart will come certainly in handy. I mean, obviously, yes, you can walk up and down it, but if you're gonna be carrying coolers or coming in from a long day at the lake, everybody's gonna be tired. You're gonna love that golf cart area right there. So you can certainly do that. It's big enough to put a side by side or something like that if you wanted to put that there. But just an absolutely gorgeous view, gorgeous home. And just to give you, once again, give you a reference to where we are here on the lake. So this area, if you see some homes right through there, that is going to be the Point William area. Again, we're in Crane Hill, we're in Rock Creek. The Point William area, if you go to our right here, if you're familiar with the lake or whatever, if you've heard of Silver Rock Cove, but that's going to be that way. We're looking at about a half a mile to Silver Rock Cove by water, and not far by land either. So this is easy to get to. So by water, by land, if you're coming again from Nashville, Atlanta, Huntsville, Memphis, Birmingham, easy to get directly here to the Flat Rock Cove neighborhood. So anyway, if I can answer any questions for you, or if you'd like to tour this home, this is absolutely gorgeous. Give me a call. My name is Jacob Sanders. I'm with eXp Realty here on Smith Lake, and I'd love to be able to help you. I'd love to help you anything to do with Smith Lake. So if you're looking to buy or sell, if you're needing contractors, needing to figure out, hey, where do I need to rent boats from? Who do I need to call to do landscaping? Anything like that, we want to be your go-to resource for everything Smith Lake. Again, this home is currently listed at $1,599,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, a little bit over 3,000 square feet. And I'd love to be able to help you. Love to be able to show this to you, help you any way I can here on Smith Lake. Again, once again, my name is Jacob Sanders with eXp Realty here on Smith Lake. My phone number is 205-369-2803. And you can also visit my website at jacobsandershomes.com, where you'll find this home and all the available listings here on Smith Lake. Hey, have a great day, have a great week, and we look forward to seeing you here on the water soon. Take care.